going on, guys? I'm going to show you guys how to replace this door skin on the 2020 Chevy Traverse. The auto skin. Show you guys how to change that. Alright guys, in order to get the outer skin off, first I'm going to do is use a die grinder with a 36 inch. It's a 36, that is from 3M, 36. This material that comes from 3M, they're expensive, but they are worth it. The reason why they are worth it, they last longer, and they are the best, alright? So, just go ahead and buy the 3M, trust me, the 3M material is worth the money, alright? Now we're gonna grind the edges down all around. But we don't grind off too much. We're gonna grind off enough to get the top layer off, which I'm gonna show you right now. This is what you guys want. Grind it until you see a split. Y'all see that split right there? That is when you stop. Do not go beyond that split, because if you go beyond a split, that means you're grinding the door panel itself away. You won't do that. You just want to grind the skin off. The next way you know how to stop, once you see that split, pick this piece up. Once you see this piece start to peel, that's when you know to stop, okay? Once this piece starts to peel, now you're gonna do the same process for the whole door, and then you're gonna take the skin off. Okay guys, once you guys peel this piece off, switch from 36 to 80. This is how I do it, okay? Different body man work differently, but this is how I do it. Switch from 36 to 80, and we're gonna clean the side up. Once you guys got the edge on the inside all cleaned up, you're gonna hit it with an etching primer. Now, this etching primer is not 3M, because the 3M was out of order. They didn't have no more. So the next best one is Aeromax. This is also good as well, but the 3M is better, but the Aeromax is also good, okay? Aeromax, the 3M is better. This is the next in line. The reason why we use this, so that the panel won't rust when you fold it. Now it's time to peel the door skin off. You're gonna use something sharp, and you're gonna knock the edge off first. All right, now we're going to straighten back the edges. Are you fine? Guys, this is the new skin that goes on top of here. This is the 3M panel bonding. This is what we're going to put around the door, okay? This is the 3M. This is the 8115 panel bonding, all right? Now the seam sealer, I'm going to put this right here. Now we're going to put the seam sealer around the door. As I said, right there. This is 3M. This is the best, okay? Got to get this one. What that does, it holds the door panel onto the door frame itself. After you put the seam sealer on this door and the panel bond on that door, you're gonna put the panel on top of this one. You're gonna put this door back on the car and pre-fit it and weld it to make sure all the gaps are okay. Alright guys, now we're going to align the gaps before we tack it and then take it back off the car. Guys, now we've got the gap all lined up. We're going to tack it with the MIG welder. Alright guys, now that the panel is stacked, we're gonna take it off the door and bend the edges. Okay guys, now it's time to fold the edges over the door panel. need something flat, and your hammer. You're gonna put pressure on this one, and you fold it in. Hold on. Okay guys, now that the lip is folded all the way around, it's time to clean it up. We're gonna repeat the same process. We're gonna grind the inside and prime it down. Grind it up, smooth it up. Okay, I'm gonna right now. Alright, we're gonna flip the door and dress the outside. Same process. Okay, normally when you change the door skin, up on the edge you're gonna see some waves, some small waves. All you gotta do is use the grinder and grind it off. Don't got too much, just like literally. Hit the 8. Hit it. Do that. Now we're going to put the door back on the car and pre-fit it one last time. Guys, the reason why you tack it, so it won't move. Everything is nice. Everything lined up. Everything lined up. Sometimes when you folded it, this walk, but everything is good. Now, I'm gonna take it off the car. I'm gonna take the door from off the car and put seam sealer, or burn the edge, and this bad boy goes to paint. That's the hard part. It's a wrap. Okay guys, Now it's time to put the seam sealer, and this bad boy goes to paint. Some people use the one that's already ready made. I don't do that because sometimes it peels off. I use the tape and the regular seam sealer. That will never peel off. This is what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like, nice and clean. If yours don't look cleaner than this, it ain't right. If it don't look cleaner than this, it ain't right. That's it. Okay guys, that is the process on how to repair a door skin. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Working when you're checking out.